Hey, I'm Sarah, and we are really excited because we just got this Uncrustables machine. This is so nice because my children do not like crust on any of their sandwiches, so this is the problem solver. It's got nice teeth all the way around it to just be able to smash that sandwich together. And if you did want to add, say, some meat or anything like that, you actually have these nice little inserts that you can then use to cut the meat, slice it down, and then you have a nice little filling. So I'm going to bring you in here close, and we are going to make this nice peanut butter and jelly. So here this is up close. You've got nice little handles here to be able to grab onto it. It's just a nice plastic, so you can easily wash this just in the dishwasher, or you could just hand wash it. But that is all fantastic. And this is all just a nice metal to be able to slice through any sort of meat that you needed. So now we've got our sandwich in here. You just place it right over the circle, and then you simply press down on the top part, and you will have yourself a nice Uncrustable sandwich without having to go to the store to buy the Uncrustable. So you can see it all smacking down right there, closing it all in, and that will seal everything off. You've got these beautiful lines on there, and then it just simply peels off the end right there. You'll have your nice sandwich to be able to have without any crust for your kids. So now I've got the Uncrustable sandwich. It's got it all nice and sealed all the way around. No need for this bread. And whenever you're finished, you can easily just take everything out, clean it up, and the kids can enjoy their nice Uncrustable sandwich.